NETS is an interactive model of drug development designed by Genetic Alliance to both educate and empower you to get involved in translational science. From the homepage, you can access two different versions of the model. The neighborhood view gives you a more simplified version of the map, highlighting only the most critical pieces in each neighborhood. The full NETS map includes all of the processes involved in drug development in more detail. You can utilize the neighborhood map to get a general understanding of the processes before delving into the details of the full NETS map. While viewing either version of the map, you can roll your cursor over any box to see a short definition of that process. Clicking on the box will open a toolkit of resources. Each toolkit includes everything from guides and scholarly publications to courses and partnership opportunities. The tools are color-coded to indicate the type of tool. These coalesced tools provide educational and action-oriented materials to encourage involvement. The types of tools included on each page varies, but each toolkit has a basic definition located at the top of the page. This may be followed by some introductory resources. For example, the Biorepositories Toolkit contains a link to the National Cancer Institute article titled, "What are Biospecimens and Biorepositories?" Below that are testimonials from people who've been there themselves, advocates as well as scientists. This Genetic Alliance video, for example, describes how advocates developed the PXE International Biobank. Relevant publications like the NCI OBBR Best Practices for Biospecimens Guide and the Genetic Alliance Registry and Biorepository Bulletin. The Related Tools section includes information for those who are more familiar with the topic. This section may include databases, journal publications, tools, services, partnership opportunities, and more. Like the NCI Specimen Resource Locator, the resources in this section provide materials for the advancement of research. These toolkits are not comprehensive, but they provide a variety of information for a range of audiences. Genetic Alliance is continually looking for ways to both expand and improve the NETS tool. So if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please send them to Genetic Alliance at kbaxter@geneticalliance.org. NETS will soon be formatted as a curated wiki to which anyone may add information and resources at any time. This will allow everyone to contribute their experience and expertise to the resources. It is our hope that NETS will produce a realistic view of drug development while offering resources and educational materials to increase involvement.